Hey, I hope you're doing well. It is a beautiful day here in Kentucky. You can see my sweatshirt. A little cold, but the sun is shining. It's a little windy too. A little bit different video, but I wanted to shoot this real quick. I want to talk about the course I just released and kind of the intent behind it. I'll show you a different side of what I'm trying to accomplish. First of all, thank you to the people that have purchased the course and have started it. It's so cool that you're on your way to see results with CNC and to see money coming in and not going out, not just going out. And so, oh man, look at how dirty the house is. Just notice that. Don't look. but yeah, so I created the course for one purpose, and that was to create a direct path, a laid out path with action steps, so a CNC hobbyist could take that and start making money with their CNC. It isn't an all-encompassing, like every detail about making money with CNC ever made or ever known. It's not meant to be that. It's not meant to be there is a lot of information in there, a lot of fantastic information, but what I really wanted to do was make it as easy as possible for someone to follow steps, because I feel like you can give someone all the information and then it's information overload and it doesn't help you at all. And so that is the purpose behind it. And I've literally decided I've done it for the last 2 years. I've dedicated all my working time to you, the CNC woodworker. And that I didn't wake up, 5 years ago when I started with CNC, or 5 years ago when I started with CNC, and decided I was going to do that. I was in your shoes and I went down that path of making money with my CNC, and I had to make it work because of my day job stuff going south. And so I figured out what worked, what didn't work. And then in the meantime, I was doing YouTube DIY videos. But as I started sharing the CNC stuff, people were more interested in it. So I've leaned into it, and here we are. And so now I literally spend all my waking hours that I spend working, I spend on trying to make that a reality for a lot of other people that want to make money with their CNC. And so that's what this course is an extension of. That's what this course is kind of, I guess, not an extension, but the fruits of that. And I'm definitely not done either. There's going to be new things that come out. I've got a lot of ideas and not enough time in the day to execute them. But this course was a big step in that direction. And so over 100 of you, believe it or not, over 100 of you have started that course, which is just blows my mind. It's just fantastic. It's so cool to see people jumping in. Sorry about that. Nothing like having a phone call interrupt the video. But nonetheless, if you're interested in making money with your CNC, still time to take advantage of those bonuses that I'm offering. They end tomorrow at midnight, and I'm really excited about those. We've got a Q&A video a live Q&A coming up next week. There'll be 3 sessions. If you purchase the course, there'll be more information about that here soon. But live Q&A with me. I'll have a little training, calling it a training Q&A. So we'll go over a couple of important topics and then open it up to questions. And then the other exciting bonus is I'm selecting 5 people to do one-on-one CNC business sessions with me. So a coaching session where we can put together a plan like specifically that meets your needs. And so I'm really looking forward to that. Those will be announced on on May 10th. So a lot of exciting stuff going on, and I'm so glad you're here. Thank you for supporting what I do and responding positively to what I do. And the goal is, like I said before, I want to see every single one of you successful, making and selling things on your CNC, whether that's a side hustle, whether you want it to grow into something more, whatever it may be. I want to help you reach those goals. So again, thank you for following along. Thank you for being a part of this, and hope you have a good day. Talk to you soon. See ya.